dear students, today we are solving question number 9 and 10, sharing the common information. Consider the economy where output is demand determined by the economy is of lambda is production, and the total income is determined by the workers. 1 minus lambda is production to the capabilities, and the capitalists save a C fraction of the income and they consume the rest, and the workers save SW fractions of this, and the income and the consumption of the rest. Also SW greater than SC. The aggregate demand consists of total consumption demand and the total investment demand. Investment demand is autonomously given as I bar units. Okay, so let's just solve it. Suppose that the savings propensities of the both the workers and the capitalists of the increase, then what will happen in the new EG? So solving this thing in the given information, what we have that like 0 lambda less than 1 and 1 as proportion. So suppose solving the investment demand is exogenously given at 7 units. Okay. So here, sorry, I bar units. So directly we can work on this thing as so here the 4 options of aggregate, savings and increase and all these things. So if savings proportionalities of both the workers is W and the capitalist, workers and the capitalists increase, it means that they will consume less out of their respective income. So they will lead to a decrease in the aggregate consumption demand. Aggregate consumption demand will fall. Okay. To maintain the equilibrium, aggregate income must be increased to match the aggregate income must be increased to match this thing. So therefore the correct answer is option number A. But in the next case, suppose that the savings proportionalities remain the same, but the share of the total income distributed in the workers increase, then what happens to the new equilibrium? In this case, so increase in the savings proportionalities remain the same. It means that workers will have a higher share. So they will have a higher share of income. Okay, since the workers have a lower savings, SW less than SC, we already know from this. Okay. So this will lead to an increase in the aggregate consumption demand. As a result of that, to maintain equilibrium, aggregate income must increase to match the higher consumption demand. So this increased income will also lead to an increase in the aggregate savings. As a result of that, aggregate savings increases, income